What is going on YouTube? Hidden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, I am making an emergency update from this morning's video that I just made an hour ago. Crazy stuff is happening right now, and I want to brief you guys that if you're not getting in this market as I speak, you are going to be missing out and losing on this major opportunity to swing to the upside here. This is the opportunity. Set those stop losses tight as we are starting to pump to the upside here. Just briefly check out everything that's happening right now. Here goes the major pump that's starting to take place. XRP has exploded out of its symmetrical triangle that we were just drawing literally an hour ago, saying that. You can see here the break is starting here. Ethereum, the break is starting to the upside here. Bitcoin, the break is starting to the upside here. And the S&P 500 is starting to swing to the upside here. The reason we're starting to see that, like I always say, there's always some sort of correlation. Doesn't always mean causation, but coincidentally, we always get news articles that come out the same time the markets break. And this time around, it's saying that Bitcoin jumps as Grayscale wins the lawsuit against the SEC, which is great news. The DC court ruled that the SEC improperly rejected the Bitcoin spot ETF. The court ordered a new petition, ordered the petition for review be granted by the commission's order be vacated. This means the SEC was wrong to reject the application for a spot Bitcoin ETF and that it must be reviewed again. The count called the denial of the spot ETF proposal. Bitcoin rallied from 26.8 from 26,000 just before the decision. Not entirely sure on the timeline here, but we get this news coming out, and then here we go with the major pump across the board on a lot of these cryptos. I mean, Bitcoin is exploding. These are huge opportunities to take advantage and get involved in this. We said that you can get into these much earlier and not wait for the daily closure and get in just once we breach these resistances here to then put that stop loss in, and that's what we did across the board on these cryptos. So if you're not taking advantage of these, you will be missing out. Now, with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, press that subscribe button, and let's dive into today's video. So literally just this morning, I made a video just an hour ago saying XRP Ripple holders, literally 1 day left. It's decision time for XRP and Bitcoin. You can see I just literally drew the thumbnail showing you the symmetrical triangle here as we are literally, I keep saying literally, coming to an end here. We have no more room to decide, to move. We have to come up with a decision. Will we be breaking up or will we be breaking down? And that decision has completed itself as of just a couple of minutes ago. You can see beautifully drawn here that we are filling in the gap. I said there's at most a day or two, maybe by Thursday on a conservative scale, pushing this here, that would be it. And you can see we're starting to see that pump right now as I'm speaking here. The rally to the upside here as I jump to the daily. You can see where this breakout is starting to take place here. We've drawn in earlier today. I've shown you the 4 bull flag formations that have continuously taken place over XRP here. 4 continuous formations. This is 3 confirmed confirmation bull flags here. I don't know how else to explain this. Here's the first bull flag that broke us up. Here's the flag pole. Here's the flag itself, breakout. Here's the second one, flag pole, flag itself, breakout. Here's the third one, flag pole, flag itself, breakout. Every single time it consolidates on the blue band, and then breaks up. You could see consolidates, boom, consolidates, boom, consolidates, boom. Here we are with the second one. We are getting to this last one here, and it took us a couple of days to figure out, well, hey, we had drawn the wrong kind of bull flag formation here, and I tweaked it and I said, okay, this makes more sense. We are consolidating on the blue line here, and now we are filling in the gap here, and there's pretty much no more room for us to decide here. And as you can see, we're starting to fill this gap, and then a decision has to be made. So this is the opportunity to be buying in. I'm letting you guys know this within like 30 minutes of everything happening right now. So we're starting to see that pump, and I have a gut feeling we are going to be reversing back up to moving average. Ethereum is already seeing that explosion. We're seeing, Bitcoin rally up and explode as well, including the S&P 500. I don't know. There's so many things happening all at once that it's hard to decide what exactly to base judgment on here. We said specifically that the S&P 500 closed us yesterday above the major downtrend here, which is a sign to me that we're probably going to continue to rally up, and that is exactly what we're starting to see happen here. We're starting to see a green candle. We'll probably close this tonight, and this is probably going to continue to scale us higher here, as you can see, and what I would likely think would be movement into the other major cryptocurrencies as well. We lowered ourselves from, 70 on the RSI all the way down to 53. Now we're trading at 60, and I think this is going to be a continued scale movement here on the weekly. You can see very nicely how we're moving. We kind of bounced off support here, and I think we're going to start to head up now and go to retest all-time highs on the S&P 500, and this is going to pull itself in with the other major cryptocurrencies as well. We'll start to see crypto head up as well within this movement here. Now, obviously, this is the time, in my opinion, that I'm going to be buying in. I already bought in, and I do have trades open right now for a long position on XRP, putting that stop loss right here in case this pump fakes and we correct downwards here. But it's not just XRP, it's these other cryptocurrencies too, and they're continuing to rise up. So we're just locking in tons of profit here. You can just move your stop loss up on Bityard or on BidFi as we continue this. But you can see we talk about this every single day. I don't know how else to explain this here, but literally just yesterday's video, we talked about the fact that we're going to pump any day now because we're seeing tons of this flatline, boring consolidation, which doesn't happen. Literally any day now, an explosion is going to happen here. The sideways flatline consolidation is always a signal influencing and showing signs of breakups or breakdowns with volume injecting into the markets here, and now we're starting to see that pump. So the fact that we're seeing it here, seeing this rally, was no surprise. It was just a matter of when it was going to happen, and it's happening now, and we're already locking in profits as I'm making this video, and that's why I'm updating you guys as I speak here. So definitely make sure to take advantage of this on BidFi. Link is down in the description here. All you got to do, go on this video that you're watching, go right down here, click on the video, and you can see it's right at the top here, literally, or sorry, maybe I can move it to the top, but get up to 2888 with BidFi here. You literally click this, sign up, and you'll be able to get it. It's completely free to use this exchange, but this is the one where we're making XRP trades. I don't know where else you can leverage trade XRP or Ethereum or Bitcoin. Well, I know those, but definitely not XRP or the other major or smaller altcoins and cryptocurrencies. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below. Like I said, this is the perfect opportunity if you're not comfortable with trading real cryptocurrency to at least use the demo account and trade around with monopoly money. Test your skills. Test my trades. If we dump today and I'm wrong and you're using the demo account, you'll at least get familiar with the platform and test your skills. If you've been constantly trading with the demo and you feel comfortable making profitable trades, you can always switch over to the live account and use real cryptocurrency. So I highly recommend, if you don't even want to partake with real crypto, use the demo account to test your skills because it doesn't hurt. It's free. I always recommend starting with free, using the demo account. Get familiar with the platform before you risk anything because it is extremely risky to trade crypto. So use the demo account ASAP. The best part is that if you do decide to sign up, you can use the welcome rewards bonus after you sign up. Click welcome rewards. Earn up to $2,888 completely free by filling out these right here. So make sure to check that out ASAP. Get involved ASAP because these markets are pumping right now, literally pumping. So let's see the Bitcoin Grayscale lawsuit. Let's see if we got any more updates here. What's going on right now? Twitter updates across. Grayscale wins lawsuit against SEC over converting its funds to a spot. The SEC war on crypto is falling apart in the courts, which is also good news. You can see there it is right here, the Grayscale thing right here. Judgment. This cause came on to be heard on the petition for review of an order of security SEC and was argued by counsel unconsidered thereof. It is ordered in the judge that the Grayscale petition for review be granted and the commission ordered be vacated in accordance with the opinion, which is pretty incredible. Pretty incredible. This came out a little bit ago. Nothing really too crazy. Let's get this. Court sides with Grayscale and closely watch Bitcoin ETF case. It's nuts. The ruling does not mean the SEC has to immediately implement the ruling. While it could appeal the decision, it is also facing applications for Bitcoin ETFs from traditional finance firms like BlackRock and Fidelity, which makes it more likely that the agency will simply accept the court ruling and approve the applications in coming weeks. Insane, if you ask me. And you can see the market is reacting very positively with the S&P moving up. We have Bitcoin exploding to the upside here. Easy cash grabs, easy profit grabs. Same thing with Ethereum as well as XRP. But with all of that being said, I don't know what else to talk about. Just make sure to check it out. Link down in the description to BidFi. Smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.